Up for sale, 1972 Corvette. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 72 Corvette, finished in silver with red interior, restored not too long ago. Powered by a 383 stroker, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and power windows. As always, go around it, everything I know about it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. Of course, we'll start her in the front as always. And they did a lot of great things when restoring this car, starting with the color choice. I love silver with red interior. I've yet to have one on a C3. And not just, you know, silver, but the color choice that they went with. Super pretty. I love the 427 hood with the red stripes on it that complement the interior. Again, the interior is all new. You know, chrome, glass, trim, all that on the outside is new. The side pipes are new. The engine's been rebuilt. It's a Muncie 4-speed. You know, new rally wheels, newer tires. It runs and drives sweet. It's very mean on the road. It's pretty cool. But let me get a little close up here on the chrome. We'll start on the left side. And again, it's like you expect. The chrome bumper is new. The headlight doors, which go up and down as they should, fit perfectly. And I know it's just a little bit of, like a little raising right there in the paint. It's almost unnoticeable. I just know that it's there. And then there's one little area right there. Again, it's new paint as well. Hood lines up as it should on both sides. Again, new dash pad as well. So let me go ahead. I want to pop the hood and I'll show you the engine compartment and I'll let you guys hear it run. Hood release. And a little flash of the interior. Again, you know, new door panels, new carpet, floor mats, seat covers, columns painted super nice, you know, new pieces for the console, the whole dash pad, you know, all the way down with the little inserts on the right side for storage. I can't think, what do I, like a glove box, I guess, whatever. That's new. Sometimes when I'm doing these, I forget simple things. Oh, I noticed something right here. Just a little check in the hood, probably from too long of a threaded rod. Yeah, which absolutely makes sense. But again, your 383 stroker. Performer EPS aluminum intake. Oh, they're Doug's ceramic headers. That's nice. You see the brake booster master cylinder for the power 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a new Holley carburetor on there. Aluminum heads, which I could get a little better shot of on the passenger side. Aluminum radiator. The distributor has been upgraded, so of course the tach no longer works. It's very common when doing this kind of stuff. Clean under hood as well. I did take a picture of the carburetor, so you can see that as well. And a little better glimpse of the aluminum heads there. And I was trying to make out the name earlier. It's like EHP Force by Edelbrock. Oh, they're Edelbrock heads. Okay. EHP Force. I'll have to remember that. It's a Champion aluminum radiator. And yeah, it's turnkey. It fires right up. It's strong. It's real strong. It's so much fun to drive. So let me go ahead. I will fire it up now. Oh, I left the keys at the office. I'll be right back and we'll redo this. Give me 1 second. All right, we're back. I got the key. We're gonna fire it up. I fixed my phone. Well, I got a new phone, so now I can do everything that I couldn't before. Take it out of gear. God forbid she rolls. we'll start here and go down the driver's side of the car as always. And actually, as I finish this fender, I want to show you probably the major blemish on the car, which I've seen before, but a little disappointing. So let me just show you the T-tops quickly. Because I mean, the quality of the paint, it's like show quality, but then you look, and I'm going to show you here, for whatever reason, you see it. It's like the paint lifted up right there. I don't really know why or how, or it could have been something else, and then it happened right here. I've seen it before, and that's it. It's nowhere here. And then you see a little small guy there, and then you see one, you see where that little change is. It's right around here. I just want to make sure I'm looking at it right. Yeah, it's right here. So disappointing. I mean, you know, from the side you don't really see it. You see it more when you get on it, because there's that contour where it dips down. So that's really the only thing wrong with the paint, to be honest with you. I mean, I haven't seen anything else so far, other than that unfortunate from the threaded rod. But there's nice. Oh, I do see a little chip there on that back edge. And I'll show you this, because you can tell by looking at it how little it's been driven. You know, no stone chips on the lower. There's no stone chips on this this part. Normally you always see stone chips when they've been driven a lot. Well, let's go on into the interior. And again, new door panel, new seat covers, new carpet, new floor mats. Your trim tag is in place, and I haven't checked the color yet on it, what it was originally. Steering wheel's nice. Painted the column. The column really nice, excuse me. All of that's been redone. Sorry. You know, new visors, nice T-top inserts. I think it has the optional 3-point seat belts, which come out of here. Again, like I said, the tach does not work because the distributor has been updated. And then the only other thing that I've noticed is the needle on the speedometer broke. Again, unfortunate. The owner was telling me that he started to put vintage air in it. So it's got some pieces of it. I mean, you can see like the HVAC down there. I need to find out again, because I want to, you know, when I advertise it properly online, I'd like to at least mention what it has, because he makes it seem like you need a compressor and a couple other pieces, and then you got vintage air in the car. So again, I'd like to find out a little bit more. But again, there you go. Let me hop up. You know, the finish in here is beautiful. I know I mentioned that the T-tops fit perfectly. The car's also got all new weather stripping, of course. Sorry about the wind right now. New back chrome bumpers. Oh, I'm not used to this. Couple little smudges on here that I should have gotten off, but they're not blemishes. This is definitely a new windshield. Nice finish in there. And I didn't show it on the driver's side, but you see how nice the finish is in there. The door panel. website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out and let us know. 72 Corvette, finished in silver with red interior. I do see a little mark right there, probably from when they were putting this grate in. Finished in silver with red interior, 383, 4-speed, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows. I see a little touch-up right there. But thank you for watching. We are going to fire it up now and then drive it, and then get in for the driving. Thank you.